I've used the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus 1% zinc for over 3 months now, and this is my review and an ingredient by ingredient analysis. Hello everyone, I'm Zurnita and this is Blissfully Random, a place where we talk about everything practical and useful, and if you like such topics, please consider subscribing. You've probably heard the rave about the Ordinary products, the fact that they are high quality but low affordable prices. But there is a kind of learning curve with them, which should you and could you combine with others. 4 months ago, I bought several of their products and started testing. This will be the first review and analysis, and if you want to see others, please write me in the comments below. Niacin, nicotinic acid and niacinamide are forms of vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 has plenty of benefits such as lowering LDL cholesterol, increasing HDL cholesterol, lowering triglycerides. It may help prevent heart disease, may help treating type 1 diabetes, boosting brain function. It may reduce symptoms of arthritis. It treats pellagra, and also it can improve the skin condition. The one benefit that we are interested in this video. That is the information that we have on the product page of the Ordinary Niacinamide. Vitamin B3 is indicated to reduce the appearance of skin blemishes and congestion. A high 10% concentration of this vitamin is supported in the formula by zinc salt of pyridione carboxylic acid to balance visible aspects of sebum activity. Independent studies suggest niacinamide is also an effective ingredient for brightening skin tone. Niacinamide can affect the integrity of vitamin C, so if you use topical vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid and or ethylated L-ascorbic acid, it is better to use it at alternate times. Suggested is to use vitamin C in the evenings and this formula in the mornings. Let's have a look at the ingredient list. The first ingredient is water, nothing special about it. It acts as a solvent. This is a water-based product, which means that it is applied after cleansing your face, after toner if you use one to return the pH balance, and before thicker, heavier or oilier products. The second ingredient is the niacinamide itself, 10% concentration, which is good. You always need your active ingredients among the first 5 ingredients on the ingredients list. Some sources classify the niacinamide as a superstar ingredient. It can help fade out brown spots, discolorations, and even out your skin tone, improves atopic dermatitis, acne and rosacea, creates a healthy skin barrier and improves the hydration of the skin, and also acts anti-aging, smoothing out wrinkles and fine lines. The third ingredient is pentylene glycol. It gives a silky feeling to the texture of the serum. It acts as an emulsion stabilizer, the solvent along with the water, but also acts as an antimicrobial agent. It is a friend. It acts synergistically with other preservatives, but it is also a moisturizer. The fourth ingredient is the zinc PCA. The role of the zinc is to normalize sebum production and to lower or stop bacterial overgrowth. A 2011 research paper says that based on in vitro trials, zinc PCA might be a promising anti-aging active that helps with the production of type 1 collagen. What we know is that the more collagen we have, the better our skin looks. With aging, the collagen production slows down and we may see the first signs of fine lines, wrinkles and sagging of the skin. Dimethyl isosorbide is a solvent and viscosity controlling agent. It penetrates deeply in the skin and helps with the delivering of active ingredients. Next we have Tamarindus indica seed gum. It acts as a moisturizer, soothes the skin, improves its elasticity and leaves a velvety soft feeling on the skin. Xanthan gum is commonly used as a thickener and emulsion stabilizer. So the consistency will be not liquid as water, but more gel-like. It is perfectly safe, not only for topical use, but also for internal, for eating. Isozeteth 20 is an emulsifier or stabilizer. Ethoxydiglycol It is used to boost the efficacy of other ingredients such as vitamin C, self-tanning DHAs, or for one of the most effective ingredients against acne, benzoyl peroxide. And the final one is a preservative, phenoxyethanol, which is used to replace the parabens. It can be found naturally in green tea, but the versions used in cosmetics are synthetic, and it is considered safe worldwide for concentrations up to 1%. Now we know everything that is in this little matte glass bottle with a glass dropper, which is a standard for the Ordinary products. Niacinamide was recommended by many to be my first or anyone's first product to try from the Ordinary, and what drew me to this product was the fact that I do not use foundation, and I do not want to use foundation, but I want to minimize my pore size or pore visibility. So yes, I was determined to try it. Being prepared that I might have an adjustment period to this product, I started slowly. For the first 2 or 3 weeks, I used it only one time weekly and looked for signs of a beginning of a purge, but nothing of this kind happened. What was the reaction from the first days is the reaction till now, 3.5 months later. After applying it, I feel some kind of stinging, of burning. My skin becomes red and I have some dots on places that I have had pimples or that are more sensitive. But after 15 to 30 minutes, everything disappears and the skin calms down. I used it AM and PM, mornings and nights. The effects of more clean and clear pores and kind of blurred skin I saw after 3 weeks of daily use. And then I introduced my very first retinoid, the Ordinary 5% gram-active retinoid, and I used the niacinamide as a barrier. After cleaning my face thoroughly with oil cleanse or double cleanse, returning the pH balance with a toner or rose water, applying a layer of niacinamide, waiting for about 5 minutes to dry out and to sink in, and then adding the retinoid. Not only with this product, but also with other water-based products such as hyaluronic serum, I see that if I rub the product following them, which has a more oily, more heavy texture, it becomes tiny grains. So a better application would be tapping the second product. In the mornings, I use it before my hydration, and after the hydration, I use an SPF of 50+. And after 3 months of daily use, most of the time AM and PM, mornings and night, this is the quantity that I'm left with. The product is reaching this line. It's below the middle. Will I repurchase? Yes, definitely. Can I recommend it? Yes, definitely. It has an affordable price, great texture. I had no allergic reactions, no purge. And after 3-4 weeks of daily use, I saw the effects that everyone raves about. Was it worth it? Yes, a big yes. If you used or have used niacinamide, please share your opinion, your review, your feedback in the comments below so it can help others. If you found this video helpful, you can support me with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical and useful videos. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, stay happy and healthy. Bye!